Curtain wall installation video. This drawing shows the interior side. The vertical columns include CA, CB, CC, CD, and all crossbeam layouts. First, let's start the assembly from the interior side. Use 5x25 hex head tapping screw to secure the connection, then we will start installing the crossbeams. Follow the drawing, and make sure the interior surface is properly aligned. Tighten screws to keep the beam flush with the column. Do not leave any gap here, tighten the first, then the second. Then install all the remaining beams one by one. Place all beams in order. Position the top beam with its square tube face up. This is now installed. Once all beams are placed, begin installing the second column. Fit all beams to their corresponding positions. Align each of them correctly in order. Once you align all positions correctly, connect all screws to the crossbeams. With positions aligned, begin screwing. Connect the connectors to the crossbeams. Secure all crossbeams to the second vertical post, all at once. Now, all crossbeams of the first span are fastened. Start placing second span crossbeams. Mount the crossbeams on the third post. Position all materials correctly first. Align the crossbeams properly. Connect and fully fasten all of them. Use the same method and start alignment one piece at a time from here. After finishing alignment, start connecting and installing the beams for the second span. Use the same method to install the beams for the third span. Just like before, attach the beam to the fourth column first. Install all the remaining beams one by one in order. Once all the beams are fully installed, we can now start installing the decorative cover panels. When you start fitting the decorative cover panels, get this side installed first. Press this side into place to finish. First, position the bottom part correctly. Then press the top piece gently. Just press it until it's flat. Install all decorative covers securely. After securing the covers, we install the clamps. Then we will fasten the screws. For indoor installation, just place the single head directly. We need two pieces in the middle. Do not fasten all the screws. Keep this in mind, please. Position the screwing face properly on the indoor side. Fit the iron shoes correctly. Depending on actual site conditions, the screwing face of the iron shoe can be placed on either side. Screw placement on the iron shoe depends on site conditions. We are currently measuring the inner opening. The inner opening screw entry is here. After all the frames are fully erected, adjust the alignment with a laser level. After everything is properly leveled, start fastening. Drill a hole here. After drilling, fasten the screws to secure the iron shoe in place. Use the iron shoe for leveling. You need multiple screws to hold it firmly. Tighten clamps, then pull a guideline. Correct inner and outer placements. Drill a hole here and tighten the bolt. The frame is consistently uniform. The frame is fixed. After securing the outer frame, now we will install the glass. We lack the exact glass piece size needed. We'll use a smaller substitute for this demonstration. First, we place the glass shims. Place shims according to the glass pane size. Okay, now, set the glass in place. Ensure sufficient spacing on all sides. Shift it slightly to even out the gaps on both sides. After you get the glass properly positioned, start installing the glass pressure plates. The adhesive side faces the glass. Okay, first, align the pre-drilled holes on the vertical facade glass pressure plates with the column center line. Then all glass pressure plates shall be installed after being pre-processed to fit the glass size. We'll use this small one temporarily. After securing one side, install the bottom part. Once the bottom is done, start installing the upper glass panel. After the upper glass panel is installed, we continue working on the vertical facade. After installing the vertical sections, start working on the middle part. Press the two glass panes firmly into place directly. Once all glass plates are secured, we can now install the outer decorative covers. To install the decorative covers, snap them in place. After cutting to size, clip them onto the frame. After the vertical covers, install the horizontal ones. Trim these to the correct size first. Once all decorative cover plates are fully installed, the installation is almost complete. Finally, apply glass glue to all gaps between the cover plates and the glass. The glass glue installation is complete. On the indoor side, trim and smooth out all excess cushion pads. Apply extra glue to these spots. Once the curtain wall is installed, the process is complete.